Mercy Aigbe gbajúmọ̀ òṣèré mà ti sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ìdí tó fi di mùsùlùmí. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ti mọ̀ pé kìrìsìtẹ́nì ni Mercy Aigbe tẹ́lẹ̀, àmọ́ ó ti di mùsùlùmí báyìí o. Ó ti darapọ̀ mọ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ Alhaji Kazeem Adeoti láti máa ṣe ẹ̀sìn mùsùlùmí. Ó wá sọ ìdí tó fi decide pé mùsùlùmí lòun fẹ́ máa ṣe. Mercy sọ̀rọ̀ yìí nígbà tí wọ́n pè fún tẹlifíṣàn interview kan ní TVC lẹ́kọ̀ọ́. Tẹ́ bá wò dáadáa ẹ rí i pé ọ̀rọ̀ Mercy àtọkọ ẹ̀ ti wá wọ̀ dáadáa débi pé gbogbo èèyàn gan rí pé ìfẹ́ yìí lágbára, ó kà màmá, ó kàǹkà, àkàsálíkà pẹ̀lú gbogbo ọ̀rọ̀ tó jáde lórí bí Mercy ṣe fẹ́ ADEKAZ tó fi jẹ́ wípé àwọn kan gbàgbọ́ pé ọ̀nà ẹ̀bùrú pàápàá first wife Alhaji ADEKAZ wọ́n gbàgbọ́ pé ọ̀nà ẹ̀bùrú àti ìwà ọ̀dàlẹ̀ ni Mercy Aigbe fi fẹ́ ọkọ àwọn. Ṣùgbọ́n ọkọ Mercy Aigbe nísìnyí tó jẹ́ Alhaji ADEKAZ ó jáde láti sọ̀rọ̀ ńgbà pé mùsùlùmí làwọn, àwọn sì lè fẹ́ iye ìyàwó táwọn bá wá fẹ́, pé àwọn sì lè fẹ́ iye ìyàwó táwọn bá fẹ́. Látìgbà yẹn náà ni ọ̀rọ̀ Alhaji Adeoti àti Mercy Aigbe ti wọ̀ débi pé ADEKAZ tó jẹ́ gbajúgbajà promoter kódà nítorí ìfẹ́ wọ́n ti wá di skit maker tó jẹ́ pé wọ́n á máa wọṣọ obìnrin. Bó ṣe ń wọṣọ obìnrin ni Mercy Aigbe náà máa wọṣọ ọkùnrin tí wọ́n jọ ń ṣe skit, tí wọ́n jọ ń ṣe promotion fún fíìmù Mercy Aigbe. Fọ́nrán kan wà tí máa fi hàn yín níbi tí Mercy Aigbe ti ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọkọ ẹ̀, àfi kẹ́ ẹ wò ó. Welcome to crossblog XTV. Remember to like, share and follow us. Mercy Aigbe ló ń ṣomi lójú yìí o, níbi tí ó ti ń dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ fún gbogbo àdúrótì ẹ̀.
But when you watch it, you would understand on 100 why that title is. But before I allow you to enjoy this film, I have to do this. My husband has turned to a skit maker. I mean, this man did everything to promote this film for me. You all saw it on social media. You know, I said, babe, I want me to travel. And the show was in me. What I wait, yeah, Joe film me. And he didn't even argue.
Mercy Aigbe ló ń ṣọpẹ́.
Anything to support you. Anything to make you achieve your dream. All the way for you.
Ẹ wá gbọ́ ìdí tí Mercy Aigbe ṣe di mùsùlùmí, òun rèé, ẹ gbọ́.
I did and I remarried. I'm such a lover girl. I'm very emotional.
I can tell. A baby doll.
Hey, I'm such a lover girl. I love love. I mean, I love love.
Yeah, then you also had to change your religion from Christianity to Islam.
I did. You made it sound as if it's just like yes, no. I didn't have to. I just decided on my own.
Auntie, it was because of your husband. I'm in love now. It was because you love him so much.
Wait, maybe different ways of counting the gospel. The love carried you
To go and be Elijah.
to another. How did your family members take it?
Okay, so I'm a 45-year-old woman now. Come on, I'm responsible for my actions and my decisions. And
So what led you to that decision?
Thank you. So the thing is, when it comes to religion, I am a very liberal person when it comes to religion. And then, yes, I love my husband very much. And my husband is very religious also. You know, he prays, you know, and all those things. And he's someone that I admire a lot. So I just felt that, while already after COVID, I was almost struggling with, you know, yes, and all that. And, you know, I just decided to, you know, just follow my husband.
Auntie Mercy, eléyìí ò ń sọ̀rọ̀ religion ọ̀rọ̀ fẹ́ ni. ṣọ́rọ̀ fẹ́ tún wá ni ṣé kìí
tighter and
ṣọ̀rọ̀ wò.
sweeter. And it's exciting for me because I'm learning the religion, I'm learning how to pray and everything. So it's new and it's exciting. And at the end of the day,
We have plenty of questions for you.
we
Calm down.
are serving one God. You know, that's
ọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ lágbára òun náà ni ó sọ Mercy Aigbe di ẹni tó ń di mùsùlùmí gẹ́gẹ́ bó ṣe sọ pé kí ọ̀rọ̀ ìfẹ́ àwọn kó tún lè máa lékè ńkà sí kí gbogbo ẹ̀ lè máa lọ lóní pàrípàṣù kí lè ròyìn lórí àdúrótì tí Mercy Aigbe rí gbà lọ́wọ́ ọkọ ẹ̀ yìí bó tiẹ̀ jẹ́ pé controversy ti surround the marriage yẹn níbẹ̀rẹ̀ lórí bí òun àti Mercy Aigbe bí Mercy Aigbe àti ọkọ ẹ̀ bí wọ́n ṣe pàdé àti bẹ́ẹ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. Kí lè ròyìn ẹ drop comment yín. Remember to like, share and follow us. Thanks for watching.